Hello, everyone. This week it's world language for third grade. So, what I'm going to do right now is to walk you through your assignment. The first thing that you need to do is to go to classwork. And in classwork, you will see in here el supermercado. So, that is the activity that you guys need to complete for this week. So you click in the nearpod presentation and it will bring, welcome to your lesson. So remember, type your name here and then say join lesson. So the first thing is, ¿qué encuentro en el supermercado? Basically, that question means, why do I find in the supermarket? So I go here and the lesson objective is that I can identify some foods and products that are found in a supermarket. And I can state my favorite food or drink item in Spanish. So I'm gonna give you here some of the vocabulary that you will see through the presentation. The first thing is comencemos. Comencemos means let's start. Palabras para aprender, that means words to learn. Escucha and repite, that means listen and repeat. Práctica is practice. And muestra lo aprendido is show what you have learned. So the first thing is say comencemos. So that means, remember, that means let's start. So in here I have a picture, of a supermarket aisle. And in here I see someone, just doing shopping. Okay, so palabras para aprender. So in the palabras para aprender, you see here escucha and repite. That means listen and repeat. So if you see the sentence say, en el supermercado encuentro, in the supermarket, encuentro means I found, frutas, fruits, como por ejemplo, like for example, las bananas, no? So these are some fruits. What other fruits that we can find in a supermarket? Think about other fruits like pineapple, no? Pineapple is piña or mango, which is mango. I also find apples, which is manzanas. So think about some of the fruits that you can find in a supermarket. So in this case, palabras para aprender, we got frutas, which is a cognate. Frutas is like fruits, and bananas is basically the same spelling, like in English. Then it say, en el supermercado encuentro refrescos. Refrescos is drinks, como por ejemplo el jugo. So jugo is juice. So in this case is apple juice. So jugo de manzana. So I can find jugo. This aisle where you got the drinks, like jugos. Now, en el supermercado encuentro meriendas. Meriendas means snacks, como por ejemplo las nueces, ¿no? So nueces is nuts. Other snacks will be like, for example, chips, no, like potato chips, papitas. That's how you say it in Spanish. So en el supermercado encuentro meriendas. Now, if you remember, this has a play button, so you can click in there and hear exactly the sentence.
Escucha y repite. En el mercado encuentro meriendas, como por ejemplo las nueces.
Then I have en el mercado encuentro artículos de limpieza. So artículos de limpieza, it's cleaning supplies. Artículos de limpieza, it's cleaning supplies. Like for example, el detergente. Detergente, it's detergent, para lavar la ropa, to clean your clothes. Like el detergente, we have, for example, bleach, which in Spanish is cloro. Jabón, which is soap. So vamos a repasar. So let's review. So in this one, it basically gives you the four slides that you saw. En el mercado encuentro frutas. Remember, frutas is fruit. and the other word is bananas. So refrescos, el jugo. So refrescos is drink, jugo is juice. Meriendas is snacks like las nueces. And artículos de limpieza. So artículos de limpieza will be cleaning supplies like el detergente, which is detergent. So if I go here to the next one, it's a practicar. Now for this one, remember, for this one, you have en el mercado encuentro refrescos, como por ejemplo el jugo. So what you have to do here is say, escribe, write the sentence that correspond to the image. So write the sentence that correspond to the image, lee en voz alta. So I'm going to do here this sentence. So it say, en el mercado encuentro refrescos como por ejemplo el jugo. So I go here and I'm going to do my type. So I put my box here. So put my text here. So en el mercado encuentro, what's the sentence? Let me just double check. En el mercado encuentro refrescos como por ejemplo el jugo. Refrescos como por ejemplo el jugo. So I place that in here. And there I got my first sentence, ¿no? En el mercado encuentro refrescos como por ejemplo el jugo. So this one will be actually, this should be in here, but okay, so let me see if I can move these. Nope. So this one, it's actually the second one, but you know, you got the idea. So this one, let me actually redo it this. So I think I can move it now. Yeah, there we go. So this one is here. En el mercado encuentro refrescos como por ejemplo el jugo. So this one is there. So you hit submit for that one. It's the same thing here. You look at the slides and you will write the sentences here. And remember, you will use that T to sort of like, navigate the sentences. Then, just let me do one because it will not allow me to, it will not allow me to do continued if I don't do one. So let me do one here too. So if I look at the, en el mercado encuentro meriendas como por ejemplo las nueces. Okay, so let me write that one. So I'm going to type that sentence here. En el mercado encuentro meriendas como las nueces. Okay, so I will hit submit and so show what you have learned. So then I have a quiz. Remember, for the quizzes, what you need to do is basically you need to look at the image. You need to look at the image and then make sure that the image matches the sentence. So it's a observa, observe the image and respond. En el mercado encuentro frutas. So you have here a photo of fruits. So, en el mercado encuentro frutas. So the answer should be C. So I go to the next one. En el mercado encuentro bananas. And what you have here, it's a banana. And so you say C. En el mercado encuentro detergente. So these don't look like detergent. I know it's kind of like hard to see the image, but you see these are soft drinks and water. And so this looks like juice and soft drinks. So probably the answer for that one is no. Now, I have done 3 out of those. You guys can do the rest. Remember, you look at the image, and say encuentro bananas. Does that look like a banana? No, I know that that image is kind of like blurry, but it's not bananas. I can tell. En el mercado encuentro refrescos. Refrescos is drink. Is this a drink? Probably not. So, you say sí or no. Yes or no. And then I'm gonna, it's not gonna allow me to go to the last part because you want me to submit this. Yeah, see, it's not allowing me to do it. But in the last slide, you have to submit one item of, can be food, and one item for drink that you like from the supermarket. I suggest that you use Google Translate. If you don't know how to say it in Spanish, let's say you have an item that, I don't know, like a fruit that you really like. And so just say me gusta, no? So me gusta, I like, and then you mention the fruit or the food item that you like from the supermarket, and then the same thing for a drink, me gusta. Okay, so this is your lesson, your assignment for this week. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me. I have my Google Classrooms, remember, from 11:30 to 2:30 each day. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.